Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of Burning Man Waking Dreams 2022 and we start the day off with a lot of ice cream. We had snow cones, ice cream, back to snow cones, and jello shots. But first we did some DIYs to start our day. Hello.
What are we thinking? These are yours. Take up a lot of that, but if you want it that way, we'll put it out or good. Let's do it.
This is such a cool idea. I love it, guys.
Dig it.
Yeah, it's great.
Talk about it, or do not speak on my own accord.
Well, that guy was so mellow, a kid.
Thank you. Recording station. Say it again, wheelchair jousting? With the UFC glove at the end.
Oh yeah, no, we don't fuck around here, not around town. On the underwear. Hey, you remember you were dancing on top of the platform? Which surprised me.
Yeah, I'm not worried about too many hot beverages, so I'm okay.
Candy, corn.
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
Cherry? Cotton candy?
Yes.
I'll do cotton candy,
And
please.
coffee, you don't even need to have hot water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How do you pronounce this camp name? ICU. Yay! Paradise Hotel. Motel? Showing junk to get quicker line. Decorate your cup. Robot. Champagne.
Area, or does it take a loose area? I don't know, because like sometimes you know, scenes are not really bad, where it doesn't have that long.
Cool Cat Cafe. Oh, shit. Margarita. Oh, wine.
This isn't even pink art.
Disco ice. Oh, it isn't?
Dusty Delight.
Oh, shit. My bad. Ooh. Also, it's Tutu Tuesday. Everyone likes to wear tutus on Tuesday. We were on our way from a snow cone camp to Pink Heart because they have their own homemade ice creams. But then this ice cream art car showed up as well. Triple ice cream threat. Yeah. Holographic seats, cool geometric patterns, crochet rainbow umbrella parasol, snakeskin seat, very implican, and crystal in the eye of a skull, and a ding ding. Token for some dusty delight. Bruh, that's so honey. Oh my god. So good. Miss Doobie Man.
Yes, please. Doobie, thank you.
Wow. What else are they serving her? They're out.
So you like to make it, the way you like to make it, the way you like to make it as well.
They just finished.
Thank you for not blocking the street. You are good burners. Just in case nobody has ever told you that.
Give me that booty. Take it. What did it say? Boo!
Hour.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What else?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Brisket and beets. Ugh. Iceberg Cowboys. That Japanese whiskey's so good.
Miss Bunny ears right here. Cat ears. Cat ears.
Will he know where to find us if we chill there? This was a Conclave couples shift pod. I loved how they decorated in here. fucking Mayan fucking warrior.
Get it like this. Let's get these.
Cancel our car. Bless the man. A sneezing man. Hail Satan. Big Red. This was the day that a lot of photographers were going to shoot professional fire spinners from all around the world, and by the time we got there, the line was already over 3 hours long. So my conclave sister and my partner and I decided to do our own renegade photo shoot with her partner. Special thanks to Roslyn and George for doing our own thing and getting some awesome photos here. That is the end of day 3 with some moon cheese. It was grilled cheese that ended our evening. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn more about the Burning Man culture, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when my next day comes out. And until next time, keep curious everyone. Jack out.